Right, I'm going to show you how SEO and link building specific can impact a website's performance in Google, taking into account a limited budget, the fact that they started from zero in just a 4-week time frame. So let's go over what this is about. So this client, and I have to blur it out, we are building 4 links per month, right? Now, a keyword here, why this is important, is these aren't just 4 links, 4 random links, right? These are niche relevant links from high authority domains. And this seems like a pretty sentence to say. Everyone says relevant links, high authority domains, but this has a lot of meaning behind it, right? Because to rank on Google, there's a bunch of factors, right? You have the on page, you have the off page, you have the technical SEO. Let's just focus for a second on the off page, right? Let's focus inside of the off page in link building, right? Now, you can build a bunch of links, and I have a video describing the type of links that exist: niche edits, guest posts, profile links, and there's a bunch of other links, right? Let's do an infinity here. Now, instead of this, let's just focus on niche edits. Now, instead of niche edits, let's just focus on organic outreach niche edits. Because yes, you can have a niche edit and you're just essentially using a list of pre-made sites, which is what a lot of people do, and posting links on there. Now, what organic outreach means is that you actually go out and outreach to sites in your niche, right? That's why they are niche relevant, and ask them what their pricing is to place a link on their site back to yours, right? So this is super, super important. We can deconstruct a lot of things from this sentence, right? Now, moving on. We are building only 4 links per month. Like I said, the client has a limited budget. They're starting from 0. As you can see here, the domain authority was 2.2, domain rating, 9 backlinks. Most of them weren't that good from 4 referring domains, right? So they were a very new, very, very new site, right? And this was achieved in a 4 weeks time. Now, you see the difference here from 0.2 to 0.9. Now, this isn't a big difference, but again, taking into account that this was 30 days ago, only 4 links built, and that these scores don't work like this. They tend to work like an exponential, right? To some extent. So yeah, these are the results. Well, not amazing results, but it's just to show you that this works. And what's this, right? Now, we're only doing link building for them, but they're of course working on the site as well, right? Because you cannot just do link building and succeed with SEO. Just like you cannot just do on-page or just technical SEO. You need to do the whole thing, right? SEO is a conglomerate of things: on-page, off-page, and technical. That's why it's important with all 3. So first things first is link building. Now, as I said, you need relevancy and power, and the only way, in my opinion, and the best way to do it is through organic outreach. Like, actually go out, find, for example, there's 2 ways of doing, and I have a video on this. I'll link it in the description somewhere around here, but there's 2 ways of doing this. First one is you can pay someone to do it, right? Second one is you go out and actually go through your competitors, right? All your competitors, and see what links they have, right? See all the links they have, then filter through the more powerful ones, and then go out and outreach manually to these websites and try to find ways to gather links on the sites that your competition has. Because at the end of the day, if you have all the links that your competition has, plus some more, and of course you handle the on-page and technical SEO, there's no reason why you shouldn't rank higher than them. It's not this simple, but I think you understand my point here. So link building, power plus relevancy, so important. Now, second thing, topical authority. And I have just a video solely on this. Again, super important. And you need this throughout the rest of the ages, or I guess from 2023 and beyond, right? Making a site topically relevant. And I talked about this in the previous video, but the idea of this topical authority and topical relevancy is that if your site talks about chairs, you need to be, or you want to be, the authority in your niche for chairs, right? Because let's say this is the SERPs, right? And this is the search bar, someone searching for chairs of whatever, right? And you could have, for example, Wall Street Journal, Forbes, I don't know, your site here, or not even, let's do Yelp, again, a bunch of powerful sites here, and then yours down here. Now, these sites would, in theory, rank higher than yours because they're more powerful, right? They have higher domain ratings, more backlinks, more traffic. They're an authority in the space. However, your site is more topically relevant for this search keyword that to which these search results need to match the searcher's intent. Your site is much more relevant and topically relevant, for this keyword. So what's happening is that you're going to rank higher, even though, again, this is not exactly like this, but even though these guys are more powerful and they are bigger brands, bigger authoritative brands, you are the go-to for chairs or for whatever this keyword is. But I have a video solely on this, which I'll also link in the description. It's It's this one right here. Yeah, this one right here, 11 days ago. So yeah, make sure to check it out because it's quite important. Then technical SEO, of course, is super important, right? Your meta tags, meta optimizations, URL structure, breadcrumbs, all that. You can use this little plugin for it. This isn't a video on technical SEO, but this little plugin gives you a bunch of stuff regarding headings, images without the alt text, with the alt text, your meta descriptions, meta images, your robots.txt sitemap, all that. This is just a good way to get an overview of your technical SEO in just a quick glimpse. Now, this is what you need as a big overview to get an actual site ranked and increase its position on Google, right? Now, why I call this building 4 links per month is because I want to do a case study throughout the next few months, right? I know what's going to happen throughout the next couple of months, right? Building 4 links per month, and taking into account that at the same time, and I'm talking with them, with the site owners, that they should be posting content on the blog and make the site topically relevant for their subject, right, their niche. So yeah, that's essentially it. Links do work, and I guess if you want to hop on this package, it is here. I'll leave a link for this in the description. It's $6.99 per month, right? And again, these are 4 links every single month with this domain authority, at least 1,000 people coming to the site every single month. I'll send you Loom videos detailing what was done, why it was done, how I'm doing things. I'm very transparent with this. Or if you are on a tighter budget, you can just browse the marketplace here and take it to veta.com. My internet is bugging a bit yet. Click it here, and you can essentially just purchase a couple of links from different providers here. But if you want me to do it, excuse me, I can do it for you at $6.99. And it is exactly the package that I'm running through for these guys. Again, they're starting with a limited budget, starting from 0 and only in a 4 weeks time. So links work, of course, but you got to combine them. It's got to be an holistic SEO strategy, on page, off page, and technical SEO. Hopefully you like this one. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you didn't. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.